Welcome to this video. Here we will learn and apply obviously how you can create your own account on OpenSea. Now you might have connected it to MetaMask and you might have connected and bought some NFTs as well. But then how do you get these kind of offers? Like every single day I'm getting these offers. Like right now I'm getting all these in real time. Okay, so let's suppose if I just randomly open this particular one, someone made an offer on this and then there was another offer which is this. So if I click on this, let's view that the token which I'm owning, right, by Digital Pratik, what is the current offer. So currently somebody is offering me 1.051 Ethereum. So I can literally accept. So I'm not logged in with my original account because this is a dummy account which I'm going to show you for MetaMask. But if I go to my account, there would be an accept button over here. Once I click on that accept, I can literally get 1.05 Ethereum, right? So this is a wrapped Ethereum, WETH, which needs to be swapped to Ethereum, which I'll probably show in some other video if you have no clue. But potentially you can say that you already have 1.05 Ethereum a deal ongoing. So you can click on accept button and then you can get that in your MetaMask straight away. Okay. So how do you get these kind of emails? Okay, that's where the email address needs to be inserted inside OpenSea. Because this is decentralized world, it is just connected with MetaMask right now. But for that deals to happen on email, you have to insert your email. So for that, all you need to do is make sure you are on OpenSea. By the way, this is my collection. If you have still not purchased, then do purchase the tokens. The floor price is still 0.05, sorry, and it will soon be up for sure. Okay. Also join the Discord server if you have still not. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, check out our website. Let me just show you if you have never seen the website. This is the entire website. Everything is explained over here. What is Jor Parivar? That is the NFT collection. There are 3 different levels. What do you get inside each one of them? What is the future roadmap for this? Who all are my teammates over here on this. I'm the founder of this project and things like that. So let's come back to this website and let's go into my account setting. Now make sure before doing anything, make sure your MetaMask wallet is connected over here. So I've just created a dummy account which has nothing over here, no activity, no transaction, no Ethereum. So I'll just go into this and click on my profile. And I've added a couple of dummy NFTs as well over here. These are not the real ones. We have removed them. So right over here, click on settings. It will ask you to sign. Click on sign. And this is where it will open up general settings, username. So let's say I'll write Digital Pratik demo or Digital Pratik dummy account. And so this is okay, accepted. Bio is this is just a test account. And email address. So this is where you need to insert your email address. Okay, this is where you need to insert your email address and click save. Once this is done, after this you will get all the emails when there is some offer on your NFT tokens. So this is obviously I'm not going to enter my email address. I don't want any fake email address to be entered over here. And that's it. Hope you found this valuable and hope you learned something new today and hope you'll apply something new today and hope you'll share this something new which you have learned and applied in your life with somebody else. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you around on some another social media content.